guys, I'm gonna show you how to clean wheels today. We're gonna clean these RPF1 Enki wheels. I'm gonna show you all the tools we're gonna use first. So we're first gonna use a face brush. This is a small barrel brush. We got a big barrel brush to get in the back of the wheel. We got a lug nut brush, a wheel willy brush for all the spokes, and then a hard bristle brush for the tires. So first thing we're gonna do is, we wanna make sure the rim is always cool, not hot. Touch the wheel, make sure it's nice and cool. We're gonna rinse it down first. We always wanna spray also inside the fender liners, clean all that up. Now that it's nicely rinsed down, cool, we're gonna get our wheel and metal cleaner. We're gonna spray on the tire, wheel, in the barrels, the caliper, the lug nuts. We're even gonna spray the fender liner too. Get in there. So we're gonna start off with the face brush. There's a soft bristle brush. We're gonna do the face of the wheel. I'm gonna scrub it down. Just want to make sure you get inside the spokes if the brush fits. Now we're going to switch up. We're going to do the barrel brush, which is this one. Easy detail brush. This gets right behind the caliper. Next, we're going to do the lug nuts and all the little small areas on the wheel. And we're going to get in there. Also get inside the spokes again, make sure we got every part of the wheel. And last brush, we'll use our tire brush, hard bristle brush. Spray the tire one more time. And we're gonna scrub this down, start seeing it turn brown. It's eating up all that dirt on the tire. And last, we'll just hit the fender liner with this brush. And we'll just rinse down the wheel thoroughly, get all that cleaner off and all that dirt. And lastly, we'll just dry the wheel up with our Master Blaster blower. We'll get the wheel and tire nice and dry. And lastly, we'll just throw some tire shine.